Hello guys. In this tutorial, I will show you two easy ways to delete your images on Ideograms.ai. As you might know, this is my favorite free image generation AI. First of all, we obviously need to open our browser and go to Ideograms AI. Once you are here, you can log in or create your account. Now you are in the main page right here. You will see all the images generated by everyone. You can also filter it by most recent, trending, or most liked images. By default, your images will be public, and when you generate images, they will appear here. People can also visit your profile and see all your generated images. They can even download them too. So sometimes we don't want this, as we want our images to be private. Or maybe we generated some images that don't look good, and we don't want people to see them. To solve this, we will delete them or make them private. I will show you how to do this. Let's begin with the first method. First, go to your profile at the top right of the screen. Go to your generated images and make sure to check all of them and download the ones you need, because this first method will delete all your images. Just choose the images you want and click the download button. Now that we have done this, go to the top of the screen and click this button at the left of your name. This menu will appear. We will click the delete account button. Now it will ask for confirmation. We just need to type delete in this field. As you can see, it warns us that all our generations will be deleted by doing this action. Just press the yes button and that's it. In my case, I don't want to delete it, so I will click no. What I recommend you is to create a new account just to test your prompts and create a lot of images. Then download the ones you like and save the good prompts and delete the account. You can repeat this process as many times as you want. Now let's go with the second method. So as you might know, Ideogram recently released a new update where they added the private visibility for your generations. To do this, you just need to come to the home page and click on Generate button. Here you will see that you can private your generated images. Just choose private. This will automatically set your image generations as private, and people won't be able to see them in your profile or anywhere. To get this feature, you will need to buy Ideogram Plus. You can see that Plus subscription includes private generation and priority access to new features, which will probably include the delete feature soon. This subscription includes more things like higher quality image downloads, priority generation, and more. It costs $16 per month, so it's up to you if you think it's worth it. In my case, I only have the free subscription for now, so sadly the only option to delete your images on Ideograms AI is deleting your account. I hope they include a delete option for free users soon. For now, the best trick to do this is just creating new accounts. To test your prompts and generate images, download them and delete your account.